Are you guys tired of burning your hand on your shift knob on a hot sunny day? If so, we got the perfect solution for you. What's up guys, my name is Jarrett. In this video today, we're gonna talk about our newest hybrid series shift knob called Nitro. Nitro is a hybrid series knob because it's made of a combination of a weighted stainless steel core with a Delrin cover that is heat resistant. The awesome part about this shift knob is that you still get a weighted shift knob experience from this, but it has a cool to the touch Delrin cover that does not get hot during those summer driving days. Nitro weighs just shy of 1 pound. We were able to do that because we machined the core out of stainless steel. Stainless steel is a heavy material that has a lot of mass, and it allows this knob to give you an awesome weighted shift knob experience. So the real game changer behind Nitro is that we machined the cover from Delrin. Delrin's a really neat material and it's actually heat resistant to the touch. So when you're shifting on those hot summer days, this cover stays super cool to the touch. We also make this cover in 2 different styles. We have a textured style and a smooth cover. The textured cover has this series of thoughtfully designed dimples that actually vary in depth as they go around the cover itself. So the cool part is it adds a really neat visual interest. There's one other really important thing that this texture cover does. It actually gives you grip when you're shifting. These dimples provide just enough of a surface for you to get that extra grip while you're shifting your car. To give you guys more options for your shift knobs, we actually designed a little tool that slides into the bottom of your Nitro shift knob and allows you to loosen up the covers. It's a neat feature that allows you to change between a textured or a smooth cover whenever you want. When it came to designing a shift knob that had a stainless steel core with the Delrin cover, we really wanted to focus on the transition points between the Delrin and the stainless steel. The reason being is that when you guys hold this knob in your hand, we don't want you to feel any of the differences between these materials. So when you look closely at this knob, we have a very tight tolerance that we hold between the cover and the stainless steel core, and you cannot feel any of the gaps between these 2 materials. Just makes for a great user experience when you guys are shifting. Nitro comes in at 2.3 inches tall with an ideal 2-inch diameter ball shape. This 2-inch diameter is ideal for most hand sizes to perfectly grip the shift knob. One other cool thing we did on this is that we actually flattened the top of this sphere, so it's not a full sphere. The reason behind that is it allows your fingers to roll down into this grip area and actually hold the knob better. It's one little detail that we always want to add into our products to make sure that our design complements your user experience. Nitro is available in 3 unique finishes. It's available in red translucent, brushed, as well as black matte. They each have their own unique characteristics. Red translucent is actually a red clear tinted powder coat. So before we send this knob to powder coating, we actually hand brush finish this whole entire knob, and then the powder coat gets laid over top of that. It actually allows you to see through the powder and down to the brush. It has a really cool prismatic effect in your car. We also offer a brush finish. Brushed is a really cool minimal look. It just has a radial brushed grain around the knob, but it allows a nice stark contrast between the brushed stainless steel finish and the bead blasted Delrin cover. We also have a black matte finish, which is a low gloss powder coat. It offers a beautiful stealth appearance between the black core and the black cover. The finishing touch on Nitro is our unique shift gate engraving pattern. We individually design these patterns for a variety of cars, but the whole point of it is that the Raceseng logo is actually in the reverse position. The numbers are italicized, they evoke a sense of speed, and then dividing that, we have this little minimal line that ties everything together and actually hugs the edge of our logo. To us, the shift gate and pattern is an awesome design element that we want to use to make our knobs look different and look good in your interior. Nitro is compatible with any of our shift knob accessories. It works with our boot collars, reverse lockouts, as well as our shift knob extenders. Nitro also works with any Raceseng adapter. If you guys currently have a Raceseng shift knob and you have your adapter, Nitro will screw right onto it. But this knob works with any of the adapters in our whole ecosystem, including threaded adapters and also non-threaded adapters. If you guys want a shift knob that's perfect for those hot sunny days, Nitro's a shift knob for you. Guys, that's a wrap on the Nitro shift knob product review. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, enjoy the drive.